Hakotor 15 Vice President Wngwi Swmai Thangkha CP Radhakrishan Phasalo Bono Swmai Tangrwkha Hakotor President Droupadi Murm Swmai Tangmani Pandao Manjakha Hakotor Mantri bokhorok Narendra Home Minister Amit Shah Defense Minister Rajnath Singh Akosong
Phasalo Rashtrapati Bhavanok Khaijaka Hakotoni Gatal Vice President Swmai Tangmani Pandao Hakotor 15 Vice President Wngwi Swmai Thangkha CP Radhakrishan Ashra Bono Swmai Tangrwkha Hakotor President Droupadi Murm Swmai Tangmani Pandao Manjakha Hakotor Mantri bokhorok Narendra Home Minister Amit Shah Defense Minister Rajnath Singh Akosong Pandao Manjakha Dalbidal Hasani Hastefate Mantri Okra Abahaikin Tripura Hasani Mantri Okra Professor Dr. Shah Swmai Tangmani Pandao Manjakha
I, Chandraviram Pondusami Radhakrishan,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
that I will bear true faith and allegiance
to the Constitution of India
to the Constitution of India
as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Congratulations.
Aro Shatai Kalayo Vice President Asok Thani Bagai Batilamani Indian Wngwi CP Radhakrishan Day Indian Gataliza Wngwi Supreme Court ni Kasam Justice Sudarshan Reddy Aro 152 board ni Fair Mumbai Katal Justice Sudarshan Reddy no Mesino Kaflai Onka CP Radhakrishan Abani Aglono Phasalo Hakotor ni 15 Vice President Wngwi Swmai Thangkha CP Radhakrishan Bureau Report Chini Khorang